Alright guys, so as you can see, I am back with another video, another install on the Type S. I want to shout out to Jella for, I met him at Spocom, W Mans for getting me this part. So he has an FL5, but he already put an APR wing on his FL5 and he just had a stock wing laying around. And when I met him yesterday, and I've been looking for FL5 wing for a minute. So I was like, when I went to Spocom, I was like, hey, like, Jello, do you still have your stock wing, bro? Like, you know, he was like, yeah, I do. I was like, bro, let me buy it off you. And guess what? Copped the FL5 wing. Yes, sir, with the, this is not PRL, but this is a stock base, but should work perfectly fine. So, Eli's gonna pull up the primer right now. We're gonna get started on the car. We're gonna get this wing on, and I'm gonna be probably one of the, there's only, right now there's only 3 that I've seen with the FL5 wing, so I'll be like the 4th one that I've seen so far, the 5 wing, especially in NorCal. So, we'll go from there. I'm waiting for Eli to pull up. As you can see, the car is outside. We're outside with it, you know what I'm saying? The last video we had the exhaust on, and next is gonna be the wing, but also, Jello also has a PRL, a high volume intake for my car that he might want to sell. Let me know, so that might be the next part with the inlet pipe. So yeah, I'm building this car fast as hell, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so we'll see. You guys, my twin pulled up. Hey twin.
What's up, twin?
What's up, twin? Shout out, twin.
What's up, twin?
Were you first install, twin?
First install?
First install together?
Wait.
W Mans with the primer, bruh.
Oh, we active.
Alright, chat. So. Oh, it's not LED? Come on, bro. What?
Why are you exposing me like that?
Bro.
Why are you still...
But right now, we're about to go to the store for some painter's tape because we don't have any at the crib, unfortunately. So.
This isn't we, this is you. L-Mans, he wasn't prepared.
Alright, chat. We secured the Scotch tape, painter's tape. Now we finna head back to the cribbo. Shout out to Walmart for this. Sponsored, you know. We just went in there and took it and just walked out without paying, right? Sponsored. Just kidding, we didn't steal it.
I did.
Alright, chat. We are currently test fitting the wing. Alright guys, so unfortunately we couldn't get the wing on. Nope, because I realized that you see here there's these little like nubs right here for the screws, and we put on one that set flush with the rear trunk. So I contact Music in Motion, our Echelon sponsor. They're going to be helping me out with creating a bracket to make it flush with the car, like a filler basically, like a little like spacer basically, for the filling car and get a larger screw and screw it in. But shout out to Echelon and David and all of them for helping me out with that. Shout out to Eli and Drew. Drew put up, I didn't record it because I was kind of mad. But I'll be okay. Other than that, I will let you guys know and update you guys once the bracket comes in when I go to Dublin to get that fixed or get that made for me, custom made. But hey, at least it'll be a one-of-one FL5 wing on ICS, which is fire, and that's custom bodywork. So, and like I told you guys, I'm gonna get my car into Spocom next year at Week Fest and make sure that it's like show ready and award ready. So it's a process. I trust the process. So once I get more update, more parts on the ITS for the wing, I'll get back shot and show y'all the reveal. But so far right now, we gotta live with the wing, sadly. So we'll get back to you guys once we are able to get the wing on and get the bracket on for the car. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Hey guys, so it's been officially a week since I bought the wing. As you can see right here, I'm about to go to Dublin with David to Music in Motion to install the wing. Hopefully, if not, I'll make brackets for the wing, but we'll see what they could do for me. Shout out to Music in Motion once again. But yeah, I'm gonna load the stuff into the car right now. Here comes the wing. Oh, it's not that heavy, which is surprising. W wing. So now everything's loaded in the car, just the wing and the wind razors. I gotta travel all the way to Dublin now, so we'll get back to you once I actually get to Dublin. So yeah. Alright guys, so we made it to Music in Motion in Dublin. We are trying to do the mock-up right now for the wing. Shout out to Music in Motion for this, as always. People clean cars. But yeah, we're gonna try to test fit and see how it goes, and I'll get back to you guys once we figure out how we get the wing on. Alright guys, so how we're gonna do it is basically the same way we did it, but we're gonna have to shave down the base of the wing and basically get it on there. And I'll probably come back next week on Monday to get it on, and then yeah, so the wing will be on by next week on Monday. So I'll have to get back to y'all by next Monday. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just got home from that hour drive from Dublin. Taggy parked up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shout out to Music in Motion, shout out to Menard and shout out to Echelon for hooking it up with Music in Motion for helping out with this wing, because without them, this wing would not be on, guys. This wing would be literally still sitting here. So yeah, I'll catch y'all next Monday when it's on the car, and I hope y'all excited. I'm excited for it, so we'll see what's going on in the next one, y'all. Peace. Guys, I just got home from work, and I just got the shower too, but I'm continuing on the video from the last 3 weeks, because the wing is finally ready. It took about 2 or 3 weeks for to get it done, but I'm finna get ready, head over to David's house, pick him up, and we finna go straight to Dublin for the wing. So just a little update for y'all. I'm super excited for this wing. I've been waiting for a minute, so hopefully everything goes right and the wing is on by tonight. I'll get back to y'all once I get a little update on that. Finally made it to Music in Motion. Back over here again, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, so they shaved this down perfectly to match the car up. Before it was like poking up like this much, but now it's all shaved down perfectly. Same to the other side. Menard's shaping up the car right now to start the measurement and start the wing. So we'll get back to you once it gets on. Alright guys, so we are currently test fitting the wing. Make sure all the measurements are all lined up. Shout out to Music in Motion once again. Alright guys, there's no going back. Menard's gonna start drilling into it. This is the scariest part, drilling into the car. Sneaky David took off the Echelon banner. Sneaky.
Now you're off the team, sorry.
Sneaky, huh?
Yep, you're off the team, sorry.
Made to excite, boys.
My car.
Ah, that one hurt the soul.
I had to be here when he comes. He's going to enjoy it, right?
Yeah, open it up.
He's going to enjoy it.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Perfect?
Yeah. Because it's on the edge.
Gotcha.
He's going to go, yes, I need to cut this car.
Okay, next.
My soul. Alright guys, so we are now powering the car. Make sure no rust or anything occurs. But from that point on, the car should be ready, honestly, and should be good to go put the wing on. After 3 weeks, let's go. Guys, the wing is on. Thank you to Menard and David. Thank you. Shit is tough. Let me know what you guys think about it. See it from a side angle. I think it's a W. Guys, so as you see, I just got home. The wing is finally on the car. Finally. After 3 weeks of owning the wing, it's finally on. Big shout out to Music in Motion. Big shout out to Menard. Big shout out to David. Big shout out to MTX. Big shout out to all of them for helping out with this wing. I'm hooking it up and, you know, putting it in for me. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys liked the wing. At first, I was like, eh. I started looking at it more. I was like, okay, it's hidden now. So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. We are going up from this point. The car's going to be done soon. Wheels is probably next. And the intakes and the inlet pipes. I don't know. Whatever comes along comes around. You know what I'm saying? So, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see you on the next one. Be out of here. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Y'all know the drill. So, yeah, let's get out of here.